Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 3:30 in the morning. We are heading to the airport and we're going to Turkey. I'm so excited. We are packing up the car, but it's proving a bit difficult fitting all the suitcases in, and they're all slightly overweight, so I'm not quite sure what we're doing with that. We've been shuffling stuff around, but I think we figured it out. You go.
Let's go. We've got a car in Turkey.
Oh yeah. So we are on the plane. It's only a 4-hour flight to Turkey, which isn't bad, especially as I'm used to America, England, back and forth, 9-hour flight. We went through duty free and I got some earphones because my AirPods sometimes fall out if I'm sleeping. So for the plane, I was like, just get some plain earphones from on the plane, and then got some waterproof mascara in Turkey for at the pool. Well, that'll be very helpful. And then I got this really cute Dior lip oil. I am obsessed with this. It's so cute. Love it. Yeah.
Yeah, no, I've got one.
Oh, that's soft. I like it. Very nice. We got to Turkey and it's so pretty here. We're getting a taxi to our villa and it's so nice. It's the biggest taxi I've ever been in. With carpet. There's a drawer with cold waters. Loving it so far. We're at our villa and this is ridiculous. It's so pretty. This is our view off of the front. There's a beach club right down there that we can go into. We just walk straight down there. This is where we're staying. And we have an infinity pool. This is ridiculous. We've got to try and get inside. But this is so cool. We got inside and this is Amelina's room where we're staying. We have a balcony with gorgeous views. This is what we see when we come outside. This is crazy pretty. We're definitely going to be coming back here. I can't wait to try the beach club. That's what I want to do. I just got changed. More fitting for the weather here. I was dressed for the plane, not for the 29-degree heat. We are going to head into town, get some groceries, that kind of thing, have a look around. We're walking into town and the view and everything is just giving me Mamma Mia vibes. This whole place is just screaming Mamma Mia. I'm so excited because I love Mamma Mia. But we have been walking for a while. We're following Amelie's directions. So let's hope she's getting us there the right way. But either way, it's a very nice walk, so not too bothered. We're shopping for groceries. It's a little bit challenging in that there isn't really anything. We're looking for fruit and vegetables, but we're thinking actually we're supposed to go to markets to get them because I haven't found any. Sammy was looking for tomato sauce. We found tomates purees. So we assume that's tomato puree.
My smartness. Organic tomato puree.
There we go. Put it in the app. Perfect. That's that for you. Now what do we need? Sure. I've got a massive bottle of water. I'm trying to find where to pay now. I can't even pay in the shop. This is so heavy. We just saw something that said greengrocers. That has to be fruit and veg. And if it's not, that's false advertising and I'm not happy. Yes, this is exactly what we were looking for. Perfect. I was thinking there's no way they can't have any. This is a good selection. Okay. Got some strawberries, some lettuce, some peppers. Let's get some carrots. And then we need more fruit. We need like peaches and watermelon. That's what I'm saying.
Oh, yes, watermelon.
Yeah.
Okay, these look so
So, found some cucumber. They're looking a bit strange, but I'm saying that we can't really be picky right now. Oh, they have drinks. I think it's cucumber. We're gonna, I'll try it. Let's hope it's cucumber. Watermelon.
It's gonna be hard to carry.
Sorry, there is no way we are carrying all of this back to the villa. No way. Right, I definitely say we take this watermelon. I don't know how we're going to carry all this home. Okay. I can't carry much more. We need to go get peaches and stuff. Should we just use this? Okay, that's going to be something. Okay, now. Let's go. That's good. That's good. Okay, I think we're done. That's not gonna go in the back.
You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen.
We have spent the evening in the town, like had a look around and stuff, sat on the beach for a bit, done too much shopping. I'm so tired now, my feet hurt, but I'm so happy with what I got, so I'll show you later. We walked into town, but I think we're gonna find a taxi home because it's so dark outside and it's quite a long way. But yeah, it's been such a vibe. Like, there's music everywhere, and yeah, it's been really nice. Okay, so I realised I did not make it clear earlier, but this is our second day here. We kind of had a chill day today at the villa. Like, we just hung by the pool and stuff. I think tomorrow we might go try check out a beach down just down in front, but today we just had a nice day here. But I'm going to show you what I bought. Okay, so first of all I got this ring. I love it so much. I think it's really pretty. So I got this Essentials jumper or sweatshirt for any of my Americans. It's quite simple, but it's so soft. Material is so thin. And then I got a Chloe bag. I got a white one so that it will like go with anything. I am actually obsessed with this. Chloe Dunside. This is going to be my new school bag. Yeah, so that was today's shopping. Very successful. Hey guys, so it's day 3. We're about to head down to the local beach down here and see what's down there. I don't really know what it is. I think there's different water sports and stuff. All the beaches like have little different things. We're hoping to find some jet skiing at this place. We'll see if it's today or we do it another day. We want to do it at some point. So we might do that today, but we're just going to chill on the beach for the morning, have some lunch down here, and then probably go back to the villa for the afternoon. We just asked and they said that they do have jet skis, so we've just ordered 2. So we're each going to have a jet ski. We've done it once in Croatia, but we've only done jet skiing once, so it'll be fun to do it again. We're going out on the boat, and we'll meet the jet skis out there. I'm excited. I'm actually a bit scared now. I've done it before and it's fun. Literally perfect. We finished jet skiing. It was so much fun. When we did it last in Croatia, we had to, because we're under 18, we had to do it with someone. But this time they didn't ask us until it was too late. So we were on the boat, on the jet ski, when they asked us how old we were. So I was like, I'm 18 in a week. And by the time we were already out there, so they just let us go. So we did it by ourselves, which is so much better. We're just chilling for a bit now. We have a nice sunbed with like a shade thing. So that gives us a little bit of a break from the sun. And yeah, we might get a drink in a minute and that kind of thing. And I'm actually been reading a book this holiday, which I don't really, Emily just made a face at me. I don't really read, like, I like reading, like I love reading this book. I can't put it down because it's one of my favourite books. It's Twilight, which is my favourite film series. And if it is a book that I like, I'll love it and read it, but I'm not really a big reader, but I might actually read for a bit. Right, well, I'm thinking we might go get drinks now. Yeah, let's go get drinks. I'll leave my Stanley here then. Guys, I'm in love with my Stanley. If you couldn't tell already, comes everywhere with me. The guy gave me the biggest straw known to man, but you know what? It actually makes it quite a lot easier to drink, so I'm here for that. This is the life. Good morning, guys. I have completely lost track of what day it is, but today we are heading down to the beach. We're actually going to this one down there. So that'll be fun. I didn't vlog at all yesterday, which I should have done, but we went out for cocktails in the evening, which was really nice. I had a strawberry mojito, lovely. I think we might go out for cocktails again tonight. Basically, I think the plan for today is morning down at the beach, come back to the villa for like pool and stuff, for the afternoon, and then in the evening we'll go for cocktails and go for dinner. I think that's what we're gonna do. We've just been tanning. We spent quite a while in the sea this morning. We were sunbathing on this thing, and so now we're just gonna chill here. I've ordered a fruit plate. Mum and Amelie are gonna share some garlic bread. I'm not even exaggerating, that was the best strawberry I've ever had. This is a good fruit platter. Fruit is definitely better on the beach anyway.
Wouldn't think to be garlic bread.
My mum just said that everything's better on the beach. So true. This fruit is like insanely good. So we actually ended up spending basically the whole day down at the beach, but it was very nice. Now had a shower and got ready for the evening, and we're gonna go into the main town, cocktails, dinner, shopping, that kind of thing. We've come out for cocktails, and we came to a place called the Botanic Gardens, and I got the Botanic Special. It's basically like a fruit smoothie, and it has strawberries, bananas. They just put a fan on, so my hair's going to rough. It's strawberries, bananas, white rum, lemon juice, all mixed together. But honestly, it's a damn good cocktail. It's literally like a fruit smoothie. We have one cocktail here, go for dinner. We've booked a place like up on a terrace, which would be nice. We were just saying, it's funny that we've been out for cocktails last night and we've been out for cocktails tonight, and neither time no one has asked how old me and Amelie are. Like, I'm 17, I'll be 18 in a week, but Amelie's 16 years old. Like, in England, obviously you can drink when you're 18. America's 21. She's 16. No one's even asked how old we are. Like, we just order a cocktail, they're like, here you go. Like, thank you very much. No ID, nothing. They just don't even care. That's Turkey for you. We had a very nice dinner. We were up on like terrace of a restaurant. I'll see if I might have put pictures in. It was lovely, and we are gonna get a taxi and go home and chill for the evening at home because we're all very tired now. We have one more day tomorrow and then we go home on Tuesday. We just walked into someone else's villa. These all look the same. And we just walked up the steps and I turned right and looked at all their furniture that they have. And I was like, this isn't our furniture, did someone change it? And we're like, no, it was someone else's villa. And we know the guy. He works at the restaurant opposite, and so we've seen him a couple times there. He gave us his lilo for in our pool, so like we kind of know him, but like not well enough to be in his villa. So we just walked out hoping he didn't see us. But Mum was full on like trying to open the door for a solid few minutes. Like the key wasn't working, and I'm like, yeah, it's not our villa, and like that's why it's not working. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're home now. So we are actually packing up to go home now, but the other night we did a little bit more shopping. So I got this really cute bag, which I can use like just as a clutch bag, or it has a chain strap inside that I can like make whatever length. Like it can be really long, or you just make it whatever length you want. So that's gonna be very nice for going out with. I also got this really cute bracelet to like remember Turkey and stuff. It's basically Turkey's like good luck charm symbol, whatever you call it. Like it's everywhere here. It's in the tiles in the floor, it's hanging up everywhere, like you see it everywhere you go. So I was like, I'll just remember the trip. So yeah, we're flying home tomorrow morning. It's been a really nice holiday though. I've loved it here. I might just end it here. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. I know I already said bye, but just gonna show you that what I said on the way here about it being the biggest taxi I'd ever been in. Well, now this is the biggest taxi I've ever been in. It's basically a van, but it's so nice. It fully has like tables. We have like a Wi-Fi code. So yeah, we're on our way to the airport now, and for our flight home, well, back to England, and then I'm in England for 2 days, and then flying back to the States on Friday.